Alright, hello YouTube. The second device came in. As you know, the first device was my Silent Night PSS SA pull station, single action pull station. But now this is the second device. I have no idea which one it is. It's either going to be my system sensor H12 24W or my EST Genesis ceiling mount horn strobe, which I don't think it's that tiny. I don't know which one it is though. So I've already broken the tape on it. I did not look to see what was inside because I can't see. So let's go ahead and pull it out. There is a piece of paper inside I cannot show, so that's the only thing I know about it. But it is the system sensor H1224W ADA compliant horn strobe. Now I do have a little bit more tape to break right here, so we're just gonna break that open. There we go. ADA compliant, 1971 UL listed, notification appliance. It's the horn only model. That's the only one I could find really cheap, because as you know, I want to be able to upgrade the system a little bit. So high, low decibels, it can run on 24 volts, and I believe it can also run on 12 volts. Yes, it can also run on 12 volts too. So it is brand new in box. I have not seen a horn only model of the Spectral Alert second generation, or if you know the Spectral Alert Classic without the screw and type. But I have not seen the horn only model, and I have not seen a white horn in person. I've seen the strobe version of the white, but I've never seen the horn version or even a horn strobe. Here it is. So here is the alarm. Here is the instruction manual and screws with the plastic piece so you can open it up, as well as a tone selector in there. Oh, an extra tone selector. Okay, because all three of them are here. Which I don't like the way you select the tones on the Spectral Alert, but I guess it's fine. So here, we're gonna snap it together real quick. All right. So you would insert a screwdriver in there, or insert this plastic piece. You only have the two terminals because it is a horn only. Here's where you would select the tones. It says for dip switch 1, selects whether it's in temporal 3 or non-temporal, which would basically be continuous or code 3. Electrical, mechanical, or 3000 hertz is the tone selector 2, and high or low volume on this one right here, which I'm going to select that to low because I do not want it on high, which I cannot remove that. So what I'm going to do is get my tweezers over here. Nah. Let me see if I can remove it with my hand. I can't. So I'm going to have to use tweezers with this thing. Which, yes, I did get a pack of tweezers. Just because I cannot reach half of the things that I do. And these are like soldering tweezers, but it'll work in the same purpose. So there you go. And we're going to select that on low. And we're going to just sound it off on the normal code 3. So everything is set where I want it. And we're going to wire up the alarm. Which this time I'll do it on camera. Last time I did not do it for the pull station, but I'll go ahead and do it for this. So the way we get this alarm off is we have to take this red plastic piece right here and insert it up here. And then the alarm can pop off the mounting bracket, which that was a lot easier than I expected. So I cannot lose this, which means I'm going to put this inside the panel. Then with my pull station, we're just going to wire it up in series, so without the panel, because I don't even have the panel wired up for the garage yet, which that is a upcoming video. So we're going to wire the plus of the alarm going through the mounting bracket. We're going to wire up the plus, which, do I have a screwdriver here? Let me get a screwdriver. I believe I have one. Oh, right here. Okay. So right here, we're going to just wire up this plus, like I said. To one of the wires on the pull station, because all the pull station is basically a switch. So I'm just going to wire it up to one of the terminals. But now this one has to connect the positive of the battery, because that's where the alarm is connected. So the alarm is connected to the positive of the pull station, so the pull station has to be connected to the positive of the battery, which, there you go. And then finally we have one more wire here, and go ahead and just wire this one up. Sorry if you have bad camera angle. Come on. The only place I would actually see using a horn only is a bedroom where you don't want a strobe, which is going in my bedroom for the next system test. And I've never seen the Spectraler Classic. I've never seen the one with the Phillips head screwdriver. I've only seen the plastic insert. That's the only one I've seen. Never seen just a normal, older Spectraler Classic. And if you're wondering, what do I mean by that? Basically, there's, I don't know if this is true or not, but the Classic is the one without that plastic piece I'm showing you. It would actually have a place where you can insert a Phillips head screwdriver and you would unscrew the alarm. But this one has a plastic piece. That's the second generation of the Classic, which is not really a Classic, what most people are claiming. Alright, so I'm just going to cover it up with my finger, because I really don't know how loud this alarm is. I've never heard this alarm in person. Or I think I've heard it one time, but I don't remember. So we're going to go ahead and set it off with my pull station, and here's the key so we can reset it. So let's go ahead and do it. Not very loud. And one of the wires popped off. But yep, there we go. That's the system sensor H12 24W. We're going to pull it again. Come on. That should have reset. Alright, so that's it. So now that's 2 devices out of 3 that I need to so far get in. We have the Silent PSS SA pull station, which you saw in the previous video, and the system sensor H12 24W. In this video, the next video will be of my EST Genesis ceiling mount horn strobe, which is rebranded by another company, but I'm not even going to bother with that. So there we go, that's it.